Electro Steel Castings Limited, headquartered in Kolkata and incorporated in 1955 in Odisha, is a leading Indian manufacturer of ductile iron and cast iron pipes and fittings. With 5 manufacturing facilities across India, the company serves a global customer base in Europe, the Americas, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Its products are widely used in water transmission, sewage treatment, desalination, and stormwater drainage projects. Subsidiaries include Electro Steel Castings UK, Algeria SPA, Doha for Trading, Gulf FZE, and Brazil Ltda. In Q1 FY26, ECL reported consolidated income of Rs 1,586 crore, down 22.1% year-on-year due to a temporary slowdown in Jal Jeevan Mission funding and plant maintenance shutdowns. Consolidated PAT stood at Rs 89 crore, reflecting a 60.6% decline from last year. Standalone figures showed Rs 1,426 crore total income, Rs 186 crore EBITDA with a 13.1% margin, and Rs 86 crore PAT with a 6% margin. The company sold 1.63 lakh tons of DI and CI pipes and fittings, maintaining market presence despite industry headwinds. As of 30th August 2025, ECL's market capitalization is Rs 6,024 crore. The stock trades at a PE of 10.52 and PB of 1.04. Its 52-week high and low are Rs 236.60 and Rs 86.25, with a current price around Rs 98, offering potential upside for long-term investors. Key metrics include a VWAP of Rs 98.33, beta of 1.77, 20-day average volume of 14.27 lakh shares, book value per share of Rs 87.96, and a dividend yield of 1.44%. ECL's strategic acquisitions in Europe and focus on deleveraging position it for sustainable growth. Net debt stands at approximately Rs 1,400 crore, actively reduced through operational measures. Leveraging its manufacturing footprint and global supply chain, the company is well placed to benefit from rising demand in water infrastructure and sanitation projects. Increased institutional shareholding reflects confidence in ECL's long-term prospects, offering investors stability alongside growth potential.